Don't do this. Do this. There you go. Yes guys, what's going on? A lot of questions I get asked is how to load this thing, a skip. Because some people just launch it in and it is actually really annoying because you can get more for your money if you load it correctly. So today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. Let's go. Tip 1, do not crisscross all the wood up. This is how you want it to fit in all these cracks and crevices like that, look, all down here, instead of just dumping it in there. So if you've got a labourer or someone that loads a skip and doesn't do that, then it's all getting done wrong. Look at all this wood that's come out of here. You've got to try and get it in the skip. And if you launched it in like this, you'd never do it. But if you take your time with it, who knows? Let's see. There, see like this, sliding bits in, sliding bits in, into them. That's what you got to do. These last bits to go in. And that is it. This does feel like a waste, putting wood in a skip, but it's got to be done. That's how we're looking so far. Not done yet. We're not done yet. There we have it. That is how to load a skip. Good height. Neat. All that wood's in. That's that side. And there you go. A little bit more room in there, but that's perfecto.